So in this problem we're going to add two fractions together. The fractions have unlike denominators. So the top number is called the numerator, the bottom number is called the denominator. And when you add fractions they have to have the same denominator or a common denominator. And so in this case I'm going to rewrite the 1/2 as 4/8. 4/8 is the same as 1/2. 1 times 4 is 4, 2 times 4 is 8. And I'm going to leave the 3/8 alone because that gives me a common denominator. They both have an 8 as the denominator, which is necessary for addition of fractions. And then I can simply add the numerators, and that's all you add. You don't add the denominators, the bottom numbers. You only add the top numbers. 4 and 3 gives me the 7/8 this represents. And if you need a little bit better picture of that, if I were to draw a circle and think of the 1/2, but I were to actually cut this into 8 pieces, so there's a half, and so I'm going to actually cut this into 4/8. So there's 4/8, and this one down here on the bottom is 3 of those eighths. So if I go 1, 2, 3/8, so we have 4/8, which is the same as a half, and we have 3/8. And then we put them together, and the total is 7/8 of the entire circle. I can cut this whole thing up into pieces, so we're using all 7 of the 8 pieces, just to give you a little bit more of a visual representation of what I did. Common denominator means that I can cut them up into the same size pieces and then add pieces together. So I had 4 pieces plus 3 more pieces gives me a total of 7 pieces out of 8. Without a common denominator, it's more difficult to see that. We see we have a half, and then we have 3/8 more. So we could see it that way as well.